If you run LED video lights, film monitors, or older Sony rigs, this Ultimate NP-F550 2-pack and charger kit is a massive practical upgrade for your gear bag. Reason 1 is the footprint and weight. Unlike massive NP-F 970 bricks that weight down your rig, these 550 cells are incredibly compact and lightweight. They slide right into any tiny accessory pouch without cluttering your bag. Reason 2 is the seamless compatibility. They click perfectly into place on standard battery plates without any loose wobbling, giving you a reliable, constant power connection for standard gear like the CN160 panel light. Reason 3 is the travel-friendly charger design. The wall adapter uses a smart fold-away plug configuration, meaning you don't have to carry extra loose cables around. Just flip the prongs out, plug it in, and the LED indicators tell you exactly when you are good to go. With 2600 mAh per battery, having a dual pack means you always have a fresh backup cell ready to swap mid-shoot. It is affordable, reliable, and space-saving pocket power. Highly recommended.